This massive beast has been rotting here for decades, easily. The rust has completely eaten through the metal back here. Cannot believe we are actually moving this giant rusty bus. Ugh. Ugh. Finally here at the garage, this restoration journey begins now.
Look at this beast, so much rust, but we will fix her.
Okay, let's get this old girl cleaned up. Look at all this moss. The rust is really thick under here.
Look at this rust, it's completely taken over. We're trying to see if any of the original material is salvageable.
So satisfying to blast away all this caked on mud and rust. Look at those chunks fly.
Okay, so you can see how thick this rust is. It's just caked on. Let's see if this pressure washer can even make a dent.
Now that it's been washed, you can really see the extent of the rust damage all over the bodywork. It's quite something.
As you can see, this floor pan is completely rusted through. Just poking it creates new holes.
Okay, so you can see here, the fender lip is completely gone. This is all just layers and layers of rust. And just like that, the piece is out. This old girl is definitely putting up a fight, but we're making progress.
So I'm fitting this new rocker panel. It's a pretty good match considering the old one was just rust. Let's get a few tacks on here.
Wow, look at that. All the structural work is complete Every single patch is perfectly welded in. The wire wheel is doing a fantastic job. Look at that bare metal. This old bus has layers of rust. So this primer lays down really smoothly, gets great coverage. You can see how easily it's covering this bare metal. And there we go, a perfect smooth coat of primer, no rust, no bare metal, just ready for the top coat. Okay guys, look at this. The cherry red base coat is going on so beautifully. It's just transforming this Saurer. And that's the base coat all done. The color is just absolutely stunning. A really deep, vibrant cherry red.
Okay, so now I'm just pressing down this sound deadening material, and you can see how nice and smooth the roller makes the black.
And here we have the beautifully restored gauge cluster for our 1960s Saurer. Look at that shine on the chrome. At Ister. We spent countless hours on this restoration, and the attention to detail truly speaks for itself. Today we're going to be replacing the old wiring harness in this beautiful Saurer bus. Look at this. Okay, so now we're just going to carefully install this new chrome dome light. It should match the vintage aesthetic perfectly. All right, the new heavy-duty battery is in place. First, connect the positive terminal, nice and snug. Now for the negative. Perfect fit. So we're inside this beautifully restored 1960s Saurer bus. Let's start it up. The gauges are all working perfectly. Look at the shine on this chrome, absolutely perfect. The cherry red paint is just stunning next to it. The dual action polisher is making quick work of this cherry red paint, bringing out a stunning deep gloss. You can see the mirror shine already. This detailing vacuum is perfect for getting into all the nooks and crannies of these beautiful leather seats. The suction is impressive. This Saurer 5D UK restoration is absolutely flawless. The cherry red paint gleams in this golden hour light, not a speck of rust anywhere.
It's done. It's finally perfectly done. I can't believe it.